Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a Citibank savings account. So first, all you need to do, just go and type citi.com and hit the enter button. Of course, if you're on the website, if you're using the app and you've downloaded citi.com, all you need to do, just go and hit this register button, register for an account. And once you click on register for an account, of course, then you can choose to create your saving account. So as an example, once you are here, and as we said, you want to open a savings account, all you need to do, just go and click on open an account. You'll find this right here. Once you go and click on open account, as you can see, you find here checking account, saving account, certificates of deposits. Of course, for us, we want saving account, so earn interest with FDIC insured savings. So you can earn 3.7 annual percentage yield in a city, accelerate saving high yields account, 4.5 monthly service fees waived for 3 months, or with a relationship tier, $500 plus average month balance on or a city checking account, and seamless money movement. Of course, like normally, like saving accounts are not good, even they give you interest. Interest is always a bad thing. If you still want to do it, of course, you can always go here and open accounts, and simply then you'll have to choose saving, etc. Click on open an account. And of course, once you do so, it will take you to another page where you'll have to start filling up your information, starting from your personal information, ID verification, employment income, set up the online access, agreement and disclosure, and then transfer funds to your saving account if you want to. And yeah, that should be it once you fill up all those information and agree to everything. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.